Hello, this is Steve with iAutoAgent. We are presenting today a 2015 Chevrolet 2500 HD with 166,222 miles on it. Very decent work truck here, nice interior. Things look good there. Seems to be running strong. It's got a nice rack up on top, heavy duty, great wheels, great tread on them. Look like they've been taken care of with some Armor All. Paint's in fairly good condition. I don't see any rust. There is the odd small dent here and there. We've pointed those out in the photographs. But overall, a very nice truck. Let's go ahead and take a look in on the passenger side here. See, the door panels are in good shape. Door panels on the driver's side. I forgot to take a look at those earlier. Also in good shape. See here, the motor's very clean. Looks great in the engine compartment here. And that's it. 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD.